Midnight in the snowbound carriage.
In the heart of the Balkan Mountains, a luxury train, a sliver of warmth in the biting cold. Beneath the veneer of opulence, a web of secrets and unspoken anxieties connected everyone on this fateful journey. Even in the quietest corners, secrets have a way of stirring, much like the storm outside, or the thoughts within a detective's mind.
Nature's raw power, unleashed in an instant. The mountain roared, and the world turned white.
In the heart of the frozen expanse, a lone train stood defiant against the biting chill of the endless white.
The solitude I sought now feels like a cage, its bars forged from my own mounting fear. Someone on this train wants me dead.
Midnight on the Orient Express, each flicker of the lamps a beat in a heart of growing dread. It was the silence that struck him first, a silence as deep and undisturbed as the fresh snow outside.
It's impossible!
It wasn't me. I was at home all night.
I saw them leave, but I didn't see where they went.
We had an argument, yes, but that's all. They said they were going to the store.
It was a night like any other, until it wasn't.
Then Poirot finds strange clues. Every clue creates more questions. The evidence pointed to one man, Adrian Vale. But as I showed his picture, a chilling realization spread through the carriage. They all knew him.
One by one, I shall reveal your secrets. Each of you knew the child.
Rathbone was not his real name. He was actually Adrian Vale, a man once accused of kidnapping and killing a young child.
Their fortunes vanished, their lives shattered, yet justice remained elusive.
They carried the weight of a world, their quiet resolve a silent vow against the falling snow.
In the biting chill of the early hours, the railway pulsed with an unexpected urgency. Men.
My first theory is that the killer acted alone, a phantom escaping into the storm. My second, that they are all in it together.
The suspect acted alone. Based on the evidence, we believe it was a targeted attack. The investigation is now closed.
In the quiet of winter's embrace, a journey begins. Every journey has an end, but some stretch on into the infinite white.